Hi there! On behalf of Snow Owl Libraries, I'm excited to take you on a tour of the Career and Job Help page on our new website. Whether you're currently out of work or just looking for a change of pace, we have resources for you. From the homepage on our new website, you can access the Career and Job Help page from two locations. If you scroll down, you'll see a link for Career and Job. You can also click on services on the main navigation bar. Here, we have various options like community resources, business resources, and career and job help. The Career and Job Help page has everything you need to be successful in your next job search. Your library card can connect you to a network of writing experts who can review your resume and cover letter for you. Click Finalize a Winning Resume to connect with BrainFuse, where writing experts will review your resume and cover letter. You can become certified in Microsoft Office and other software from the comfort of your own home. And online resources like lynda.com are there to help you learn new skills like Photoshop, software development, accounting, and much, much more. All of this is free with your library card. You'll also find curated book lists on how to find your dream career, tips for interviewing success, and finding a work-life balance. And as always, if you need more help or resource suggestions, you can contact us. Librarians are standing by through phone, email, chat, or text. Thank you for joining me on this tour of our new website. We can't wait to help you explore your next career.